Most people don't need a complicated laptop. They need something simple, reliable, and easy to use every day. This is the HP Rose Gold Ultrabook laptop, designed for daily tasks like work, study, and browsing. It comes with Windows 11 and Microsoft Office 365, so you can get started right away. With 8 GB of RAM and an Intel 2-core processor, everyday apps run smoothly, whether you're writing documents, joining online meetings, or managing emails. Storage is where this laptop stands out. You get 64 GB of SSD storage for the system, plus 1 TB of OneDrive Cloud Storage, giving you plenty of space for files, photos, and backups without cluttering the device. The slim design and rose gold finish give it a clean, modern look that fits both work and study environments. It's lightweight enough to move around easily and comfortable for everyday use. This laptop focuses on practicality, no unnecessary extras, just the essentials most people actually use. If you want to see more details or check availability, the link is in the description. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases.